In a candlelit study, Carl Linnaeus surveys shelves of dried specimens, sketching a plan to tame nature with orderly names. He confides to a pupil, "I seek a universal tongue for all living things, where genus reveals kin." A pause as he places a blossom in a book, declaring that classification turns chaos into knowledge for medicine and farming. The mentor's voice turns personal. "I once doubted fame, yet accuracy saved lives, guiding gardeners and doctors alike." The tale closes with hope that future scientists will build on these names, linking past and present.